Okay, today I'm going to show you how to use the new Smart Picture Creation software. You can print from memory cards, USBs, any type of phone, all the things you're used to printing from. As you can see on the screen, you can order photos, photo books, calendars, cards and photo products. And first I'll show you how to do it from a memory card, and then we'll have a look at from a phone. So first choose what you want. We're just going to click on photos. And as you can see, phone, USB, Bluetooth is handy to have as well, and you can also print from Facebook. But we're just going to go for memory card. In actual fact, you can just push the card in and it will auto-detect. And just a tip, as you want to choose your selection, then put your memory card in. Otherwise, if you put the memory card in first, you'll have to pull it out and put it back in again. So put the memory card in once you've chosen what you want to do. Okay, so today let's just do some 4x6 photos. We can print gloss or matte. I quite like the new gloss, actually. I think it looks amazing. I'm going to print without borders today. And as you can see, it shows on the screen, click the photo you'd like to order, and you can also click this button to expand it so you can edit it and choose enlargements, etc. So let's do that now. So here's some photos on the screen. We can just touch the photos we'd like to order, easy peasy. We can order an extra copy of something if we want. As you can see on the left, it's arranged via date, and you can just scroll the screen. If you want to see a folder view, for example you're on a USB or a phone, you can click on options, you can change the view to folder. So you can either view by date, folder, and you can view by file name as well. File name is quite handy if you're having trouble with your photos out of order. Rank it by file name and it'll alphabeticalize it. So I'm doing a folder view now. You can see the different folders on this memory card. It's been in a few different brands of cameras. So here's the Fuji folder. So we can just order the photos we want. I'll show what it looks like when we blow it up large. So here's the editing screen. Very simple to pinch and zoom and crop and rotate and all of that. Just works like you're used to nowadays. Here down the side is how we can decide to change from a 4x6 to a 5x7. All very easy, and the cropping immediately shows. You can fit or fill your photo. For example, if you have a very square photo and you're printing into a 6x4, you might need to fit it, therefore having a bit of white on the sides. You've got some edits like black and white, sepia, etc. But remember, we will be hand printing all of your photos. So if you choose your quantity correct, get it cropped correctly, we will hand print everything perfectly anyway. We will actually, with our new software, if you crop a photo, for example, and you crop right in on it, we see the crop as well as the original full-size photo. So we can crop and improve for you. And so we can go through all our photos we've ordered, very simply changing them and cropping them. Anything we want to do. That's how the photo will look inside the orange borders. And then we can exit full screen, go back to the main orders, and as you can see, there's a lovely progress meter at the top so you can see where you're going. And you can see the tally at the top for the cart. We can also select all within a date, very simple to do. So once you find your folder or your date, just pick the lot, and then we can easily take it on or off. And next, down the bottom right, when you're finished with your selection. Now we'll ask you to check your cropping. You can see the cropping within the yellow borders very simply. This one here is a little bit cropped, so say if you want to fix that because we want to move it down, we touch it, there's that little expand icon again, so we can simply move that down so it's cropped at the bottom there, easy peasy, and exit full screen. So that's the cropping and selection. As you can see, it's very, very simple. Smart Picture Creation. And next, this screen's quite handy as well. This is the last checkout screen. It's quite easy to add extra set of prints here. So if you do want 2 of every photo, which is very, very common, you just select what you want, and at the end you can go add an extra set. And just one, like there's an enlargement, I just want to do 2 of those, easy peasy. And you can, from here, make photo books and add extra prints and calendars and all of that. You can either do separate orders or do it all in one order. And please just ask for help if you get stuck. We're definitely here to help. And then next again, here's the last screen. Just enter your surname here. I'll put Mr. Stables, and your correct phone number in case we need to call you or anything. But we print your photos as soon as we can, You can see a tally here and place order. And that's it. So that's printing from a memory card.